That right there. That is today's goal. So, came in a lot faster than I thought. Got a nice old MBRP exhaust for the new Steed. The new the Ford But, gotta pull the Focus into the garage. Set it up, we got a lift in there now. Big nice. First I need an energy drink, so. Okie doke. Stopped at my local caffeination station. We'll get a quick before sound. I'll do a start, a few light revs, medium, and then some harder ones. I do some pulls, but I'm too lazy. So keep in mind, the person who had this before me, they did a resonator delete. There's leaks everywhere, so it's very, very bad now. So keep that in mind. Okie doke. Let's get this son of a bitch in here. That ain't gonna happen, Chief. Who in their right mind? Who would do such a thing? Alright, time to hack all this up. All we really got left to do is extract that bolt, if you want to call it that. And we have to make one cut right about here. And then just gotta take the muffler, all the exhaust hangers out that are on, and that is the removal process at least. Clean this up, yank the rest of this down, and we'll be moving. After a long time, finally got this fucking last pipe off. Everything's laid out, literally. I start with that piece, then the over axle pipe, clamps laid out. So hopefully installs a lot easier than uninstall. So far, so good. Got extension pipe piece thingy in, over axle, and the tailpipe all set. Just dangling for now, of course. Shut up. About to throw the muffler in, but I need to keep it supported, hence the oil bucket. But let's get her done. After countless attempts and attempts and attempts and more attempts, we have finally gotten there. Just gotta throw the tips on, make sure they're looking correct from the back, and then we can tighten everything down and actually finally fucking hear this thing. I got everything tightened down, exhaust tips on, looking nice. I can't tell how good it looks from here, so we're gonna find out when it comes down. But gotta do a quick sweep up, and then we can drop it down and get a nice old startup. Exhaust tips seem to be in a good position. I think one's kinda not straight up and down, but I want to get a sound first, then I'll fuck with it. That sounds hella nice. Gonna have to go for a test drive now. I really like it. Sounds nice. Nice little pops. I hope the burning smell is from the packing and the exhaust though.